Next we got Helium. Okay, so pretty new to Coinbase. You can see just had a massive run up and now has found some rejection at about 2.2 and now it's pulling back. So maybe it's pulling back to our zone though. You can see price came back with this candle. It's a daily candle. Hit the zone and now rejected. So we're going to see what it does once it hits this area a few more times, and we'll see if this area holds it between 1.88 and 1.83. And if that holds it, then we might be looking for a buy position. So it'll still probably be a few days, but because this is so new, we have no idea about monthly ranges or anything. We can delete this zone. I would just target this main area again. Once price shows us that it wants to be bought up again, something like this, and then yeah, we gotta see what price does now at this area here. If we shrink this down, go to the 4 hour, yeah, you can see nice bearish candle, a little bit of a pullback, now more bears coming in. So yeah, let the bears come into this area and just see what happens. If it starts rejecting, we start seeing smaller highs, you know, like higher highs, higher lows, even on the small time frames. You know, we see price cross over this 30-minute moving average. Once it's in that zone, it's got to be in the zone. And then if it crosses over, if this moving average catches up and price cracks above it and starts holding, then, you know, this might be ripe for a buy. And then we would just adjust our stops accordingly. I'm still looking at this on a monthly aspect. So I mean, this is our September marker. This is something where we're kind of looking at to end the month. You know, we got 2 more weeks ish of August. So once price comes into this area, if it finds, you know, let's say it comes into this area over the weekend and then just kind of sits in there, and then Monday you get some bull momentum, well, then we might be looking to buy it. So, you know, all the way up to 211 here, right at the start of this zone here, I think would be a pretty safe bet. Delete this because we don't really need it. We don't really have monthly ranges at all for this. So that is my take on Helium here. I mean, we can even extend this zone a little bit, but we'll just keep it like this. I mean, we'll see how price does in this area. You can see it already came down and rejected this area a little bit. So I mean, it might continue to do so. We will see with Helium, but I do think it's a good buy once the bulls resume and price gets stuck in this zone here. I think it's a good buy, but just have to wait it out and see what it does in that area. So that's Helium.